இப்போ பேசுறது போடக்கூடாது. So now I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate buttercream. It's very delicious and it uses only 2 ingredients, chocolate and butter. So I'm adding both the chocolate, the dark and the milk, and I'm also adding the butter. So I'm going to microwave that in 30-second burst on high power on microwave. We have both the chocolate and butter melt completely, and then we'll check how it's going to look to see if the chocolate is all melted and getting combined with the butter. Chocolate and butter is melted well, and I'm going to surface wrap that. So I'm going to use the cling wrap. You want to let the cling wrap touch the surface. And this needs to be refrigerated for 4 to 8 hours until the chocolate and butter becomes very firm. It's set very nice. I'm using a scooper to just get tiny bits out of it. You can use a knife. Just breaking them into smaller chunks. So I've been beating this on high speed until the chocolate buttercream has become very light and fluffy. I'm also scraping it down and mixing it all up, and I'm going to beat it again for about a minute or 2 until the buttercream turns very light in color. I'm just going to hold on one side and then start pushing the buttercream right on one side. So we're just going to avoid like bigger air bubbles or air pockets in the middle. And now once I have the entire buttercream all pushed down, I'm going to hold it in between my thumb and the rest of the finger like that, right? And it's still not coming out of the nozzle here. I'm going to twist it a few times and it's ready.